Hey people, so my wife has these hose reels throughout the house. She's got 3 of them, and they're like, actually she has 2 of them, and the other one's all spooled up on a hanger next to the faucet. And the issue that she has is that she gets so tired of trying to reel these hoses in that she just leaves them hanging all over the place, or dragged across the yard, or in the driveway. So I've decided we're gonna try. She liked this hose reel, which is made by HoseLink, and then I got one of these. Who makes this? Giraffe. So this one is, the HoseLink is, I think, 85 feet. The Giraffe is 130 feet. The difference is the HoseLink is a, I think, 5/8 hose, while the Giraffe is a 1/2-inch hose. And I'm gonna install these on these 6x6 posts. Right now I have them in here. I've stained them with some poly redwood stain. It has stain and polyurethane in it. I'm letting it dry. I put the last coat on, and then I'm going to install it on these. These are 6x6 mounts. I'm going to install it into concrete. And then on top, I'm going to put a nice decorative, what do you call it, light fixture on top of it, just to give it a nice look. See if I can get this moved over a little bit so I can have some room. And these are going to be mounted into the concrete with 3/8. These came with the mounts. I got them on Amazon. You can just look for 6x6 post mounts, and they come with their anchors, and they come with the screws to screw the mount into the 6x6. So that's what I'm going to be putting up, and I'll show you how I'm going to do that. All right, so here's my 2 posts. I kind of measured about 18 inches from the top, you know, because when you have the hose reel, I don't want it all the way flush with the top. So it'll probably come to about here, and I'm gonna put a little light on top. So now I have a little concrete pad that I need to install the base on. All right, a nice clean surface. Mark where I need to drill. Hammer drill, 3/8 masonry bit. You want to make sure that you get it right to the bottom of the threads. This one's kind of low, but I can still get it up. So, you take these washers off. So if you get your screw too low, you have to lift it up. You have a little room to lift it up. You got to make sure you don't drill your hole too deep. And you can kind of hold it to the side when you lift it up. I gotta do this. Hold it up, and then put the washer on, and then push the washer to hold it when you put the lock nut on. And, or you can push on the, whoops, that didn't work too well. Pick it up. Washer and lock nut, or lock washer. Then you kind of hold it on the side so you can get the nut on. If I can get my finger in there right. Once you get the nut on, you can hold it to the, push it to the side while you're screwing it in. Then, these are expansion anchors. And you put your, kind of cock it to the side a little bit, and you'll feel it start to grab. Get it nice and tight. All right, now I got to get the post. Now when you pull this out, it locks. One more thing. And there you have it. This is the Giraffe version, 130 feet, half-inch hose. Not going to hook the hose up yet because we're still getting some freezes. Put a little garden light on top of the post. Should last a long time. This thing auto retracts. We'll have to give it some time, see how well it acts. But I bought a little service plan on it, so if anything goes wrong for 3 years, as in a defect, I get it fixed and replaced. So if you got any questions, give me a holler. Any ideas? I'll talk to y'all later. Subscribe.